About 3 tablespoons of butter. I need a little bit more. I'm gonna melt that. Wait for it. I have a pound of Colabita fettuccine. Alright, we like to shoot short videos. I want to mix this up, so wait for it. I coated all the fettuccine with the melted butter. Half a liter of water. And time to steam it up, so wait for it. It's been boiling for about 2 minutes. Shut the flame. Whoa, crazy, right? We're just going to mix it up a little. Get all the ones that are sticking apart. That's why we put in the butter. Still way too hard. Came to a boil, waited 2 minutes. I'm just going to put the lid on it and wait. Probably 5 minutes. Wait for it. Look at that. In a little bit more than 5 minutes. All I did is let it sit there. Alright, we're going to wait for it. Alright, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to put in about a quarter of a bottle of wine. It's been sitting around for a while. Put it back on the stove, wait for it. Wow. I let it sit a while. That wine brought it to the next level, and that's what people want, the next level. I'm the only person on the planet doing this. Sorry, Trump, I'm using a pan that was created in China. This is amazing. The wine flavor right now. Butter. Every Italian on the planet would love this right now. This is amazing. You could throw sesame seeds, you could throw a can of clams, you could do anything with this. This is amazing. That quarter bottle of wine made it amazing. Look how silky and soft the butter. My dinner. I think you already know I'm going to do something else with it, but you're trying techniques that no one on the planet has ever done before, and that's why you come to my channel. There's people I know or meet say, yeah, go to your channel to see cooking things. I'm almost at 10,000 videos, so we're about to upgrade. If you haven't noticed, I've upgraded my tripod. Love you.